We're going to pretend this is a dog. My dog will lay here. She will be really quiet. She'll just lay in the corner and she's completely fine. I bring my dog with me everywhere, including the spa, the doctor's office. What do you mean I can't bring my dog? What do you mean? What do you mean I can't bring my dog? I love my dog. She said I can't bring you. She doesn't like you. And I don't like any lash technicians who don't like you, Fido. Come on, let's go. It's not that we don't like Fido. We're going to pretend this is my dog. There are people that have allergies to dogs. By law, we're not supposed to have animals in the treatment room. The one thing that I have to be mindful of as a lash technician, though I would love to have your dog and give your dog treats, the problem with having your dog in the lash room is the client after you. There are people that have allergy reactions to pet dander. When I would go on vacation with my mom, when my mom and I would drive home from California, as soon as we get to Northern California, her allergies would instantly flare up. And she'd say, Oregon is just around the corner. Literally, it was like just around the corner. There's the Oregon border. There's the trees. That's how it is for some people that come in after a dog left the room. They automatically start to have allergy responses. And the problem with being in a lash room, working with somebody that's going through an allergy response, is it affects their eyes. And we're working around the mucous membrane, which is the eyes and the eye secretions. And we want to keep that as sanitary as possible. When they are having an allergic reaction, it impacts their sinuses. It's not fair for that client to come in and encounter a situation that's going to trigger their allergies. Maybe they don't have their allergy medicine with them. Plus, they're paying for the appointment to come in. And it's really difficult for us when we are applying extensions and somebody's eyes are watering. We have to stop the service. Imagine trying to put a curling iron on your soaking wet hair, or you just get out of the shower and you are trying to put product in and you haven't even wrung out your hair yet. That's what it's like when we are working with eyes that are full of tears. Also, they may get really stuffed up. And when they're laying backwards, them being congested will automatically cause their eyes to water. And it just really makes it difficult for us to do our job. That is why we ask for our fur babies to be left at home, even though we absolutely love them and probably would have little doggy treats and doggy beds in the space. That concludes today's Lashication. See you in the next video.
Nothing can slow me down.
And tap the notification bell.
Nothing can slow me down.